midnight, the flash flood watch will expire. But then, as we head into lunchtime tomorrow, flash flood watches go back into effect for the majority of Colorado, because tomorrow we are expecting yet another round of thunderstorms to head our way. We'll track that with SkyCast in just a second, but let's get you through your Monday first. We are continuing to track heavy rain impacting portions of Teller County. We still have a flood advisory in effect until 5:45, specifically because we are tracking a lot of heavy rain on the Heyman-Burn Scar, an area that is susceptible to flash flooding. So a flood advisory is all we have right now, again until 5:45. Taking a look farther toward the south, we still have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for La Vida, that is off to the west of Walsenburg. The storm that was located near Walsenburg now starting to shift a bit farther toward the north, and we are going to continue tracking storms as we head through the evening hours. Could be fairly active here over the next couple of hours before things begin to wind down as we head into the first part of the night tonight. Temperatures will be dropping into the 50s and 60s, 40s and low 50s off to the west of the interstate. Tomorrow morning, another gray start, and with all the water that we're tracking out there today, we'll probably see some foggy areas again to start you off on your Tuesday. By lunchtime and into about the 2 o'clock hour, thunderstorms will begin to pop up over the mountains first. And check out all the yellow that heads toward the interstate as we head through 5 o'clock and more so during the late evening hours. There's a look at 9 o'clock, and we have that band of storms that looks to extend from Denver south into the Pueblo area. The color yellow shows that there will be the potential for some heavy rain producing storms again. So flash flooding is going to be a big concern, not only for burn scars, but areas that have seen a lot of rain over the past couple of days. Best chance to get these heavy rain producing storms over your house will be between about 4 o'clock and 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, we should see a lot of the activity, just like tonight, beginning to taper down. High temperatures tomorrow, 70s and 80s. It is going to stay cool not only tomorrow, but we are expecting these cool temperatures to stick around for the majority of the week. Check out Wednesday. We get another cold front that's going to push through, causing more storms on Wednesday. 69 degrees is all we get to, with low 70s Thursday, Friday. But as we head from Friday into early next week, we are going to track a slightly lesser chance of storms, which means we will have the opportunity to dry out just a little bit. So much quieter weather headed our way Friday through the weekend and into early next week. Pueblo, 81 degrees tomorrow, with that cooler air moving in on Wednesday. 75 degrees is all we'll get to. We'll spend Thursday in the 70s. Friday will warm back into the 80s, and we'll gradually begin to warm up over the weekend and into early next week. And check it out. For Pueblo, we are taking the chance for storms out of the forecast for both Saturday and Sunday. Canyon City, 78 degrees tomorrow. We hit 72 on Wednesday, mid-70s Thursday, upper 70s Friday, Saturday, with 80s expected Sunday into Monday. And Teller County, expect a chance for storms each and every afternoon. It's just that time of year where we can't take them out of the forecast for the mountain communities, but the most active days look to really be not only this afternoon and evening, but again tomorrow and then Wednesday. And then as we head into the end of the work week, we should start to see things gradually quiet down. But tonight, tomorrow, Wednesday, we're just asking everybody to pay attention to your surroundings. And if you do find yourself in an area where flash flood warnings have been issued, remember, up, not out. And what that means is you don't necessarily want to get in your car and drive out of your neighborhood. Sometimes the best thing to do, get on your hands and knees and crawl up the hill in your backyard.
Yeah, definitely don't try to drive through any standard